This is a summary of Act 2, Scene 1, and I like to call this scene Where is Romeo? This is a very short scene, and this happens right after the Capulet party has ended. And the characters that are involved are Romeo, Benvolio, and Mercutio. Because Romeo has been enchanted by Juliet, they just met, they had their first kiss, and they have just found out that they are each other's enemies, Romeo decides to ditch his friends, and he climbs the orchard wall to hopefully see her. Basically, the scene is his friends looking for him, they're shouting his name, and they just joke about how Romeo doesn't want to be found. Because he doesn't. He wants to be with Juliet. This takes place at the orchard wall outside of the Capulet home. This is a semi-important scene because Benvolio and Mercutio speak about how love is blind, and basically Romeo is being blinded by love. We can assume that Romeo is being impulsive just because he's not really thinking about what he's doing. He is a Montague who's climbing over a Capulet orchard wall, which is a very dangerous thing to do. So I hope you enjoy reading Act 2, Scene 1 of Romeo and Juliet.